for y'all. Woo! So windows mostly up. Just cruising. Chilling, finished work, a little S3 over there, yeah. About to get some food. I'm about to see what food I'm about to get. Been craving it. Been out of the country for, shit, 3.5 weeks. Not gonna lie, ever since I got back, been craving it. So if you know, you know. Probably cut to that now, cause it's just straight in the lights. So y'all go see me with the food. It'll be like 10 minutes for me, you know? It'll be like,
I just came with these bag walk, bag talk, last bitch fagged off, fast car, NASCAR, this is not a Jaguar. I was dead broke, what you think I got this bag for? Ice on, lights off, baby cut this mic off.
oh yeah. Some bull beside me, fuck it. What y'all know about these, bro? These cheese pies. Ooh, if you know, you know. I don't gotta say much more. If you know, you know. Time to drive home though, bro. What vibes, bro? You look like the Benz. Bro, this is a hit. Last bite, look at it. You know it's gonna be a good bite too. One down, one to go. I'll say that one for the crib though. The other thing about those, you have like 10 minutes. Once they cool down, they're not that sick. Still sick though. Don't get it twisted. Making both lights. I think I was making that last light. Okay. The fuck? That car was twerking. Oh, that's why. Terrible. Definitely staying behind this Mazda. Look at that, so much torque. Fuck my neck. Light pull. Like, fuck, bro. The fuck? Seems like a death trap, bro. German, oh my god, you know? German death trap. That's what the Mercedes, you know? One thing though, having no AC, bro, free sauna every time I drive. Come on, people, oh my gosh, I wish I had a sauna. I wish I had a sauna.